Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the quality of Facebook videos on the Facebook app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to save your phone's data but still want to watch videos on Facebook, then lowering the video quality is a good option. Or maybe your videos are looking like they're in low quality and you want to improve the quality. Follow the steps to learn how to change the quality of Facebook videos. On the Facebook app, tap on a video to get up the on-screen menu. Then tap the settings cog in the bottom right of the video. Tap Quality at the bottom of the settings. You can then choose from the different quality options. The higher the number, the better the quality. So if you want to save as much data as possible, choose 270p. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.